Yakhumbula-ke ividiyo le ngiyenzile kaWandi ukuthi she came out of jail ngebheyili when she was in Sun City for the past 2 weeks after allegedly azaring umalume Linda. Buti kama wakhe after uma wakhe told the brother ukuthi ubanga umsindo Linda waba wesingathi washaya uma wakhe wabungena endlini esine papazooms la ehlweni semabokoboko umuntu nje futhi nje around the face, and then the children went to ask umalume Linda ukuthi malume kanti umenzeni uma akwaziwa ke kodwa manje kusene story after story ukuthi ubani owakwaza umalume. Waboshwa kanjalo ke usisters lo Ndlovu bese phuma ke ngebhayili ke izolo on them. Actually she came out on the 5th on Tuesday. Kwasuka lapho ke mayithi uyafika elokishini abantu bese becula ke uzolizwa ke just na iculo lakho. Iculo lakhona lithi asambe siyolala eSun City. Ngiyakutshela guys, Nama can't do it better. I mean, linjalo anyways. That's how they're singing it. I'm actually feel like I'm better than them. Mm-hmm. So the community was like, bro, please, you can't come here. Come on. Umbulela nganti umalume Linda wena ngezidlala yena thina. Bemculela ngaphandle bethi not, please go back. Noqhamuka khona. Imagine guys, after Tolly bail abantu bakutshela ukuthi buyele emuva. Iyo asambelolo siyolala eSun City. Imagine. And also nje elokishini abantu befeel ukuthi hayibo umalume washona. Lokho kuthi why uso wena nje like nothing happened. Hayibo khona umuntu owashona la who's actually a relative, your blood relative for that matter. That's how they put it ukuthi they were actually related. Ubhuti kama wakhe. So the next thing when ubuyile futhi ubuyele la elokishini with the same community, they were just like, no, please sisi buyele eSun City ungalingi uzosipora. And iloya kaWandi legele, the one that actually helped her to get bail, is the one that actually posted pictures on socials where uWandile was also saying Guti, God is good. People feel like, why would you do that? And then celebrate when Malume actually did pass on? Or should I say he was Kwazat and deleted? So why? Why are you celebrating? What's up with that? This is why the community was bored.